Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious pickle onion or cebolla curtida that can be used for many dishes, especially for tacos and huaraches and the fish tacos, of course. So let's start. These are all the ingredients that we're gonna need to make our pickle onion cebolla curtida. We're gonna need purple onion, any size you want. We're gonna need, I'm gonna use serranos. Usually you use habaneros, but my store didn't have any. But you can use serranos too, and it's gonna be super spicy and delicious. We're gonna use lime. We're gonna use pepper, just as much as you want. Oregano, salt, and 1 spoon of white vinegar. And a little container just to put it with a lid. And that's all the ingredients that we're gonna need. The first step is just gonna be to cut the ends of the onions and just cut it in half and then start slicing it. And remove all the dry leaves that you don't want there.
Mommy.
Okay, I'm done just slicing the onion. Now I'm gonna put it in my container and go with the next steps. Okay, the next step is just gonna be to slice the peppers in little round slices, as thin and small as you can. Okay, I'm done slicing the serrano pepper. Remember, you can use habanero. Now I'm just gonna add it to my onions. Okay, I have the onions and the peppers in this container. Now I'm gonna start adding all the other ingredients to my onion and peppers. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit of salt and a little bit of oregano. I'm just using a pinch. I'm gonna add a little bit of black pepper, ground pepper, and I'm gonna add 1 spoon of white vinegar. Again, add as much as you want. And I'm going to add all the juice from 1 lime too. I added all the ingredients. Now I'm just gonna mix everything and get it ready to put it in the fridge, and that's all we're gonna do. Okay, I have everything ready here. Now I'm just gonna mix everything before I put it in the fridge, and I'm gonna leave it there overnight. I just took out the onion, the pickled onion, from the fridge, and this is how it looks. It's so delicious. It's ready. You can see the colors change it, and all the flavors are all together mixed, and it's so delicious and ready. It's ready. Enjoy. It's perfect for any Mexican dish, sopes, tostadas, tacos. Delicious with fish tacos. And please don't forget to subscribe to Cocinando con los Diwits. Thank you so much for watching this recipe.